In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Copilot feature on your device. This is something that might be necessary for various reasons, whether you're looking to preserve battery life, maintain privacy, or simply want to ensure a more streamlined experience as you use your device. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage this setting at any time. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your device's settings. Depending on the type of device or system you are using, this will generally be located on your home screen or perhaps in an app drawer. The settings icon typically looks like a gear or cog. Go ahead and tap on that icon to open up the settings menu. Now, in this window, you'll see various categories such as display, sound, notifications, and more. What you're looking for is the general settings, so go ahead and tap on the option labeled General. Once you are in the general settings, you might notice several different subcategories. These can include but aren't limited to language settings, keyboard options, and possibly date and time settings. The section you're particularly interested in is one that may have a subsection related to Copilot settings. If you're not seeing it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it can be within a labeled category such as advanced or additional settings, depending on your device's manufacturer or software version. It might require a bit of scrolling through the list or checking different sections within general, so take your time. When you do locate the Copilot setting, what you need to do next is quite straightforward. There should be a toggle switch next to it, which allows you to enable or disable the feature with a single tap. If the toggle is currently green or in the on position, just tap it once to switch it off. If it's already off, then Copilot is disabled and no additional action is required. Disabling this feature can offer several benefits depending on your usage scenario. For many people, having fewer automated suggestions or predictive elements on the device can make the user experience simpler and possibly faster. For others, it might be that this feature isn't relevant to their daily activities, and turning it off could save on processing, memory usage, or extend battery life. That wraps up our quick walkthrough on how to disable the Copilot feature. It's always useful to revisit settings like this from time to time to make sure your device is configured in a way that best suits your needs. Whether it's to conserve resources or declutter your user experience, customizing your settings can have a meaningful impact. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.